Hi everyone, this is Karim, and in this channel I talk about great tips to increase the knowledge and efficiency in Excel. Today I'll talk about an immensely useful feature in Windows 10 that can be used across all programs, including Excel. Let me start with a question. How many times do you use the copy-paste feature in your day-to-day? If you use a computer frequently, then this number will surprise you. A few days ago, I found a way to count the number of items I copied in a single day, and it was more than 400. Even if you do this 50 times a day, this is definitely a great area to invest in some thoughts and try to be more efficient. Luckily, there's a super easy trick for this. It's called the Windows 10 Clipboard History. Believe me, after watching this, you'll be asking yourself, how didn't I know about this before? But before we go into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you will know about new videos I publish. Let's start. So the biggest limitation of the copy-paste mechanism is that you can copy a single item in your clipboard, only one. But it is a common scenario that you want to copy more than one item between two documents or spreadsheets, for example. Due to this copy-paste clipboard limitation, you need to keep switching between the documents and handle each item at a time. Another scenario is where you copy something now and find out at a later time that you need to paste the same item again. You simply cannot do it because that item has been overwritten by the newer ones. The Windows 10 Clipboard History comes here to the rescue. It allows you to have virtually unlimited number of items in your clipboard, so you can collect several items in one shot and then paste them easier or find items back whenever you need them. Let's talk now about how to use it. For some reason, this feature is disabled by default, so you have to enable it first to be amazed by its power. The simplest way to enable it is actually to start using it. How? Instead of using the traditional Ctrl-V shortcut on your keyboard to trigger a paste, simply use the shortcut Windows-V. Just in case you don't know it, the Windows button is that button on the keyboard that is located usually between the Control and the Alt buttons and has the Windows logo on it. It's a very useful button that can trigger many features in Windows. Let's press that shortcut now, Windows-V. Since the clipboard history is disabled by default, you will get a friendly pop-up saying that the clipboard history is off and you have a button for turning it on. Let's press that button. Now that we've turned it on, let's see what happens when we copy more than one item. So I'll go to this spreadsheet, for example. I'll copy this text of item 1. Then I'll take a snip or a screenshot of a part of the screen. And then I'll cut this text of item 3. So we've copied or cut 3 different items since the moment we turned the clipboard history on. As you can see, we are presented with the list of items that we have copied or cut, and we can pick which one we want to paste by clicking on it. We can press the Windows V buttons again and we will select the other ones and so on. Believe me guys, this is insanely convenient. The more you use it, the more you will love it. Now for some additional important notes. First of all, your clipboard history is deleted automatically whenever you shut down your PC or you log off. Secondly, you can open the clipboard history, manually delete some items or pin some items that you want to keep and then ask to delete all the rest. Third, you can access more detailed settings by going to the clipboard history settings in Windows. Simply press the Windows button on the keyboard and then start typing the word clipboard and select the clipboard settings option that you will see to reach it. And lastly, if your mobile is a Samsung one, you should have such clipboard feature built in. This is how I came to know about this world of clipboard history actually. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found this useful. I will really appreciate if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And in case of any questions or requests for future topics, please write them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.